Will rising mortgage rates cause the real estate market to crash? We'll cover that today on Frequently Asked Friday. What is going on, party people? My name is Elliott with the Elliott Real Estate Team. Super excited. In this video today, we're going to be covering whether or not the rising mortgage rate situation is going to cause the real estate market to crash. Before I get into that, if you would like, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff for the algorithm. Thank you so much for doing that in advance. So let's jump right into it. So let's document what's going on. If you haven't been paying attention, you will see in the graphic over my shoulder that mortgage rates have sharply risen in the last, let's call it 45 days. And we've jumped up. At the time of this recording, we're sitting at about a 4.7 to 5% mortgage rate. I haven't looked at it today. And the expectation is that interest rates are going to continue to rise throughout the year. So one thing to look at is that mortgage rate hikes don't necessarily mean that the real estate market is going to slow down. So if you look at the graphic, you will see 6 historic periods in which rates jump more than 1 point, which is what we've experienced here in the recent past. And not only did, in these 6 times, did property values continue to increase, but they actually outpaced what the mortgage rate hikes were. And let's look at the Metro Richmond stats for the month of March, which is what we currently have as I'm shooting this video in April. So number one, median sales price went up in the month of March despite the recent rate hikes. The number of pending sales went up, so the amount of homes that actually sold. The percentage of list price to sale price, meaning the amount that home sellers actually got for their homes. And then last but not least, the month supply of inventory jumped up slightly, but we went from 0.5 months supply of inventory to 0.6 months supply of inventory. Keep in mind, 6 months supply of inventory, it's considered a neutral market. We're currently at 0.6 months supply of inventory. So I will say that the market appears that it did not slow down. My personal prediction, I don't think the mortgage rate hikes will crash the real estate economy. I think we're going to keep trucking along and have a very, very intense summer and spring real estate market. So hope that answers your question. If you disagree with me, if you have any comments, concerns, throw them below, shoot me a DM. Thanks for tuning in. Look forward to seeing you next week.